Welcome to the Hearth Story Activity Pack for the Day You Begin by Jacqueline Woodson. This awesome story helps to show us that everybody can do and enjoy different things. And it's cool to share them and talk about them because that's how we get to learn more about new things and each other. And sometimes we can even learn that we have things in common too. If you haven't already read the book, there's an amazing video of Jacqueline Woodson herself sharing this story and insider info that you can watch and enjoy. A link to this video is in the description for this clip, and it's definitely something you'll want to check out. Once you've read the story, you're all set for the activities coming up. When you're ready, keep watching for more directions. In The Day You Begin, some of the characters were worried at first because they felt like they were different from their friends. But as they began to listen to and watch each other, they started to notice that maybe they really did have some things in common after all. To have something in common with somebody means that you both enjoy or have experienced the same thing. On this handout, we're showing you pictures of people using or doing things they enjoy. As you look through them, find one that catches your eye and makes you think, just like me. Then, write or draw about the thing you enjoy too, giving details, extra words, and pictures that show why it's something you like. Although we've all got our differences, when we look a little closer, we can usually find things that we have in common. When you're done, maybe you can show yours to a classmate or friend and see if you have something in common with each other. You can talk about each of the pictures and learn about your likes and dislikes by sharing. And remember, it's okay to like different things from each other. That's what makes each of us special and unique. In The Day You Begin, we learn about each student and how they spent their summer, and also details about things they enjoy, like different foods or activities. For this handout, think about something you love that you haven't told anyone. It can be a favorite food combination, like spaghetti pizza, or maybe a secret hobby, like painting horses. Or perhaps it's something you've been practicing to get better at, or a special book you've been reading at bedtime. In words or drawings, show and share that's something about you and be proud. If you can, share it with a friend, classmate, or someone in your family and talk about the special things you enjoy. I'll bet you'll find something in common. In The Day You Begin, some of the characters were new in the school and felt nervous about making friends. Others were scared to share their story and were afraid people might not like them. When we work together and practice listening to each other, we show respect for hearing each other's stories and we learn from each other. Then, no one has to feel scared about meeting and making new friends. There are things that make each of us different and special, but there are also things we can do to share and work together. For this activity, you'll create a comic poster of yourself. Decorate the face as you, and in the word balloon, write a message to someone who is new or worried, letting them know that they are welcome and can be themselves. Hang your poster in a special place so that others know that you are a safe friend to talk to. Thanks for watching Hearth Story on YouTube. Like and subscribe to stay in tune for our new videos. And check out our website, social media, and Teachers Pay Teachers store for more teaching and parenting resources. Keep in touch and take care out there.